Peugeot Bipper. All 4 injectors have been changed, so what we're gonna do is code the new ones in, and hopefully it should all crank up nicely. Here we are. So we've coded all 4 injectors, so the next process is to turn the ignition off, which we're not, to be fair, because I've done it in the past where you turn the ignition off and it just abandons the coding, so I'm just going to leave it on. And it happens with Ford Transit, it tells you to turn it off, and then when you do, it just abandons it until you actually turn the ignition on like this. It's systems, it happens as you do it, trial and error, isn't it? So, completed, turn the ignition, well, I'm just going to turn it off and then on. Pretend that we have. Okay. There we go, all done. And the car should start up, to be fair. So let's see. There we go. Everything nice.